second problem of primary distribution method. So in this video I'm going to take the second problem. So here again I will take for the same modern companies having 4 department A, B and C. So these are the producing department and D is the service department. The actual cost of the period were as follows. Here is given these are the expenses, overhead expenses, rent, repairs, depreciation, light, supervision, insurance, employees insurance and power. The following data are also available in respect of the 4 department. Here is given 4 department information, 3 production department, 1 service department. Area and number of employees, total wages, value of the plant and value of the stock. Apportion the cost to the various department in most equitable basis. So we will solve the first problem, overhead distribution summary. So title is overhead distribution summary. Take this. So particulars, basis of apportionment, total column, production department, here production department and one is service department. So we will write the particulars column, all these expenses, rent, repairs, depreciation and lighting, supervision, insurance, employees insurance and power. So now we will look for the ratios. So in the first one is area. So in the first one is area. Area is rent. Rent is always on the basis of area. So area 150, 110, 90 and 50. So we will distribute it to the rent on the basis of area square feet. So 150, 110, 90 and 50. We will remove all the zeros, then it comes 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. Total of 40. So rent, total amount of rent is 2000. So 2000 we will distribute it to the all 4 department. It comes 750, 550, 450 and 250. So 2000 into 15 divided by 40. 2000 into 11 divided by 40 and 2000 into 9 divided by 40 and 2000 into 5 divided by 40. Is it clear? Next, repairs. So repairs is on the basis of value of the plant. So how much is the value of the plant? Value of the plant is 24,000, 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. So it comes we will cancel for all the zeros, then it comes 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are. So 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So total is 10. So how much is the total amount of repairs? 1200. We will distribute it to the all 4 department, that is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Then depreciation. So then overhead expenses depreciation. We will write for the depreciation. Total amount is 900. So depreciation is again on the basis of value of the plant. So I already took for the ratio. Then we will take for the distributed to the all 4 department. Then light. So here is light point is not given. So we will take for the lighting on the basis of area in a square feet. So already we have to distribute it. Calculate the ratios. Light is on the basis of 15, 11, 9 is to 4. So 200 lighting amount is, so we will distribute it to the all 4 department. Then supervision. So supervisions always it is relating to the employees. So it is number of employees, on the basis of number of employees. So here is 24 from the A department, 16 from the B department, 12 from the C department and 8 from the D department. So we will distribute it to the, first we will take the ratios, that is 6:4:3:2. So total amount of supervision is 3000. We will distribute it to the all 4 department. Okay, then insurance. So insurance is total amount is 1000. Here insurance total amount is 1000. Insurance total amount is 1000. Insurance on the basis of value of the stock. So on the basis of value of the stock, here is value of the stock is from only 3 production department. I already explained for in the previous class. So value of the stock, it cannot be distributed to the service department. So we will distribute it only for the 3 production department. So we will take for the ratios employee insurance 5:3:2. So 1000 we will distribute it to the only for 3 department. Next, employees insurance. So again employees insurance on the basis of total wages. So here total wages, employees insurance on the basis of total wages 8000, 6000, 4000 and 2000. We will take for the ratios 4:3:2:1. So total amount is 10. So 300 it can be distributed to the all 4 department. Then power. Power is always be on the basis of value of the plant. Here power is HP machine value is not given. So we will take for the value of the plant. If it is given for the HP plant, we will take, otherwise value of the plant. So 4:3:2:1. 1800 amount we will distribute it to the all 4 department. Then I think we all taken for the all these expenses. So once we have take for the all these expenses, then we have to know the, if in case of direct wages or the total wages or the direct materials, if it is given for the 4 department, we will took for the only, it can be considered only for the service department. How much is the service department? So here is, for example, total wages, it can be considered for the only for the service department. How much is the service department is 2000. So this is on the basis of actual. So in the previous class I think I already explained, total wages or the direct materials or the direct wages we will took on the only for the actual basis. So total column is 2000 and we will show it in only for the service column. So we cannot be distributed to the all 3 department, because direct wages it is relating to the employees. So or welfare, labor welfare, we can't be distributed to the all 3 department. I think we will take all these items, then we will find out for the total column is 12400 and department X, department A, department B and department 3C total, then service department total. So this is for the overhead as per the primary distribution. I hope you can understand. So if you have any doubts in Zoom class, we will meet you. So thank you students.